All right, today we are going to do a quick review on how to multiply. So let's start with, why isn't it working? Let's start with 324 times 3. Remember, you always start right here, multiply up, and then multiply over. So 3 times 4 is 12, 2 down, 1 up. 3 times 2 is 6, plus your 1 is 7. 3 times 3 is 9. You're done. Let's do one more. Let's do 7,824 times 6. So 6 times 4 is 24. 4 down, 2 up. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 2 is 14. 4 down, 1 up. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 1 is 49. 6 times 7 is 42, plus 4, 46. That's all your homework is going to be about. Have a great day. Please don't forget to do your reflex math. If you want to do any iReadies, you go right ahead, but you do not have to. Show all your work on your math. Thanks.